Please step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible, pulling your harness down to your waist and buckling your safety belt.
That's neat.
Got it for Christmas a couple of years ago.
I guess you're a roller coaster guy? See the Cedar Point.
You know it.
I haven't been, but it's very good.
Okay, platform. Platform clear. Dispatch.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We're back on Sheikra. Decided to sneak an extra ride on this, even though I have Iron Menace up north. I wanted to try with the superior restraint design. Really nice up here. Whoa.
I wouldn't want to be
The truck caught me by surprise. Wow. Whoa.
Oh god!
A little hard stop, but that was really good. I think this was a good decision for me to make.
As the coaster comes to a complete stop, unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you and enjoy your day here at Busch Gardens.
A medida que la montaña se detenga por completo, desabrochense